It's been a while, and I have to admit that I failed to keep it up consistently, but I'm back, and let's try again. It was actually a good thing in a way. It's a good thing because we can have a discussion on a trade that I spoke about in the last video, which is Plus. So I said in that video that I bought Plus here, and then this is the day of the video. I said that I was thinking of adding, but I wanted to see a base, a base that could give me a proper buy point where I could control my risk. And a few weeks later, it showed up. We formed this very small base, and I just drew the line above majority of the resistance. So when I saw this base, I knew that I wanted to add. It was just a matter of when. And when I saw this candle here near the resistance, gapped up and closed well, I took this as a sign that there could be a pivot forming, a tight contraction of price. So it became very tight near here. So I put my position, I started my position, and then it became very easy to trade because as all good stocks do, it confirmed very early on that I was in the right direction with this breakout, which continued on and never really made me doubt my buy point because it was already in profit. I was making money already. And so I wrote plus with the thought of trailing the 50 day. And I saw that there was resistance here when it faced supply in this area. So during this part of the move where it's so far from the 50 day, I would expect plus to hold its uptrend and even make a parabolic move. So I drew this upper channel line and then I use this as a guide to see if we are in that late stage of it going parabolic, or if we break down from here, then it might be the end of the move. So if it respected this line, then plus was strong, and if it broke it, then it was weaker, like, or getting weak. So what happened was it broke down, and when it broke down, I started selling as it was going down. And hindsight is 2020. I guess it was the right decision at that time because it went even lower. But plus seems to be a strong stock still because it recovered and actually formed a bigger base right here. And then once again, I drew the line above majority of the resistance and saw that there could be a base forming right here. And I actually initiated the position in plus again on December 19th, right here. And I felt that we were going to form some tight price action here. And although it was a little sloppy, I wasn't stopped out here. So I was able to hold the position and then I saw this breakout. I was in this breakout. And now we're back to the present. It's just a matter of managing this trade. So if it goes back to my buy point, I'll probably sell at break even just because the base then fails, right? But if it continues on, then I will probably just trail the 50-day moving average. So that is the updated trade discussion of Plus. As you can see, the market provides a lot of opportunities. So if you miss this buy point here, Plus gave you another buy point here, right? Because as demand increases, supply follows. Supply eventually comes. As you have demand, you have supply. As you have demand, you have supply. And it's just a matter of how big that supply is. So, given this bigger base, if it continues, then I'm hopeful because it means a lot of buyers, a lot of strong buyers have gotten their position, and a lot of sellers have also gotten rid of their positions. So that's it for this trade discussion. I'm hoping to do this again more frequently. And I'm hoping to look for more opportunities, refine my analysis in Philippines, US, and even the crypto markets. That's it, and hopefully see you in the next video.